not matter whether you own or rent. This particular tip is going to help you regardless of your situation, wherever you live, wherever you go. So there are a lot of scuff marks in my home, and I'm trying to fix up my house to sell. However, I do not plan on painting the entire wall because I don't want to waste time doing something that may not be necessary. So the next person who's going to buy this home, they may have a different style and aesthetic and like different colors, and they'll probably paint it anyway. I want to minimize the amount of work that I need to do to get this house sold. So this particular tip is in regards to scuff marks. There are a lot of scuff marks, you know, when you're moving stuff in and moving stuff out, you're hitting, bumping against the wall. We all have scuff marks, and I didn't really know that there is a simple way of getting it out. I kind of automatically thought that I would have to repaint the wall, which I do not want to do. There are a lot of people that probably don't know this particular product and how it can be utilized for scuff marks. I didn't know it. So the first thing that you want to do is just take a pad, and it comes 10 in a pack. This particular box, it comes 10 in a pack. Pretty much you can cut this in half if you want to kind of like maximize the amount of pads that you have, because you don't really need to use the entire pad. So just cut it in half, go to your sink, wet it, and then squeeze the excess out of it. Then go to your scuff mark and lightly, you know, like brush it out. And then it's going to be wet. Just wait a couple of hours, and this is what it should look like. I mean, it's no scuff mark in sight. This is saving me so much money and so much time. I don't necessarily have to paint my entire wall. So this also works with door frames. It works with cabinets, it works with chairs. Just try it on different things and see how well it works. So I saw a scuff mark on my door frame, and so I kind of like applied a little bit of pressure, and I got rid of the scuff mark. This thing is amazing, and it does not cost you a lot. So if you have not tried this particular tip, try it and let me know how it works out for you. If you have any more hacks or tips that will help me and anybody else, just drop it in the comment section below. I am all ears. I definitely want to save myself time, money, and don't want to do things that I don't necessarily need to do. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great week.